See, this theorist, Peter Senge, has introduced a very interesting outline, and it has been also in recent period has been one of the most popular and accepted model. It emphasizes that in the contemporary period, the organizations and its employees needs to be readied to confront change and also to adapt to the changes successfully. In this particular context, the theorist has emphasized on the need for empowering the employees within the organization. See, the need for the empowerment of the individuals within the organization is critical for the organization's ability to face the change and in the face of the change to remain relevant. This in fact requires information, knowledge, creativity, innovation. So conventionally the emphasis has been the managers or the administrators or the senior officials, the leaders of the organization, they need to be creative, they need to be innovative, and for that they need to be very learned, they need to be skilled. So there has been much of the emphasis conventionally on the need for leaders to be very much informed, and the adequate information and knowledge that being with a leader makes that leader more functional, and at the same time enables that leader to be more creative and innovative. But see, this theorist is of the view that not only the leaders needs to be very knowledgeable, then not only they should have adequate information, they need to have adequate data, information or knowledge, ample skill set with them, because that is a key for the leaders in order to become good leaders. But in addition to that, this theorist is of the firm opinion or view that an organization's capability to remain highly competitive depends on to the extent the organization is comprising of individuals. That means not only the leaders, but also the other individuals. So throughout the organization, the individuals. So the ability of the organization to remain competitive depends on to the extent the organization is comprising of individuals, those who have adequate information, data, knowledge, skill, and at the same time they have been empowered to be creative, innovative, or moreover we can simply say they have been enabled to adapt to the change and bring about the change. So if we consider this particular theorist, this theorist has maintained, simply it says not only the leaders but the individuals within the organization, including that of the leaders, they need to be creative, they need to be innovative, they need to carry that passion. So if the entire organization is comprising of individuals, those who are adequately informed, adequately empowered, then the organization is going to be very much competitive, and for that requires a culture of learning. The culture of learning not only on the part of CEOs or let's say the secretaries in the government, or for that matter let's say the senior officials of the government organizations or the private organizations, but also each and every individual within the organization. So that culture of learning needs to be introduced. Only then the organization becomes highly competitive, and the ability of the organization to outsmart other organizations becomes high, and that the possibility of the organization to survive in the face of adversity, competition or the change increases. In this particular context, Senge in his learning organization model